In today's video, you will learn 2 natural recipes to alleviate mastitis. Mastitis is an infection in the breast tissue that can cause sensitivity, pain, and redness in one or both breasts. It generally affects breastfeeding women, but sometimes it can happen due to other infections unrelated to breastfeeding. It can be followed by malaise, episodes of fever, and symptoms similar to those of a common cold. Mastitis happens when a milk duct gets clogged, which allows the growth of bacteria, such as Staphylococcus aureus, that enter the body through the nipples. Although it doesn't offer any risks for the baby, mastitis can hinder breastfeeding due to the discomfort it causes for the mother. For this reason, besides following medical advice, you should consider some natural treatments that help alleviate mastitis and fight its symptoms. See now the 2 best homemade medicines for mastitis. Cabbage compress. The compress with cabbage leaves is a soothing medicine for inflamed and infected breasts. The leaves contain sulfur compounds that reduce inflammation and swelling, bringing relief. Put some cabbage leaves in the fridge for 30 minutes. Place a cold cabbage leaf over the affected breast. Once the leaf reaches room temperature again, change it for a new one. Do it a few times a day until your infection is gone. Apple cider vinegar. Another great homemade medicine for mastitis is apple cider vinegar. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation, fight infections, and prevent propagation. ACV also gives an extra energy boost. Make a solution with 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts warm water. Soak a cotton pad with the solution and apply it over the affected area. Leave it for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day until the infection is gone. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, raw and unfiltered, and some honey to a glass of water. Drink it 3 times a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Besides these 2 natural medicines for mastitis, you can and should massage the inflamed breast. When you have mastitis, massage the affected breast. It will help unclog the milk ducts and reduce the swelling. Always massage from the outer part to the inner, doing small circles and applying more pressure on the infected area. Prepare a massage oil mixing equal parts of apricot and wheat germ oil. Use it to massage your breast with upward movements. Do it a few times a day. Another option is combining a few drops of camphor oil with 2 tablespoons of olive oil to massage your breast during the day. Attention! Remember to clean your nipples with warm water before feeding your baby. Although it can be painful, it is important to keep breastfeeding even with mastitis to avoid retaining more milk and proliferating more bacteria. If the woman decides to not breastfeed, she should pump and store the milk to help alleviate the symptoms of inflammation. Try these natural medicines and share your experience with us.